Hello there, how are you guys? I hope you're doing okay and ready to start our new lesson. This is the 7th lesson of a series 100 most popular and common nouns in English. So, grab a pen and a piece of paper as you're gonna learn not only the next 10 nouns but new expressions with these words as well. I guess it's just time to stop dragging things out and we should start, don't you think so? Yeah. List of words that you are gonna learn today is team, member, president, city, name, community, law, line, car, and. I'm gonna pronounce these words one at a time. There will be also some very useful phrases with the words of today's lesson. Please listen carefully and repeat everything I say after me. In this way you will both learn new words faster and remember how to pronounce them. So, let's get started. Word 1. Team, team, team. Project, team. Project, team. Project, team. I am a big fan of Team Canada. I'm a big fan of Team Canada. Word 2. Member, member, member. Member of the family. Member of the family. Member of a football team. Member of a football team. I am a member of a local football team. I'm a member of a local football team. Word 3. President, president, president. The president of the USA. The president of the USA. George Washington was the first president of the USA. George Washington was the first president of the USA. Word 4. City, city, city. A large city. A large city. Paris is the city of love. Paris is the city of love. Word 5. Name, 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 name of a city. Name of a city. Hello, my name is Lucas. Hello, my name is Lucas. Word 6. Community, community, community. Religious community, religious community, religious community. Italian community, Italian community. The largest Italian community in the USA is in New York City. The largest Italian community in the USA is in New York City. Word 7. Law, law, law. To keep within the law. To keep within the law. To break the law. To break the law. People should not break the law. People should not break the law. Word 8. Line, line, line. Power line, power line, power line. Do not cross the yellow line. Do not cross the yellow line. Word 9. Car, car, car. Retro car, retro car, retro car. Sports car, sports car, sports car. Sports cars are fast. Sports cars are fast. Word 10. End, end, end. Dead end, dead end, dead end. End of the world. End of the world. The end of the movie is amazing. The end of the movie is amazing. Let us now do a few exercises to practice the vocabulary you've just learned. And the first exercise is: listen and repeat after me. Law, community, name, and, president, car, line, team, city, member. Now try to give the names of the pictures by yourself. Exercise number 2. Try it by yourself. Law, community, name, and, president, car, line, team, city, member. And we're moving to exercise number 3, part 1. Match. Match the words and the pictures. So, what you've got? Let's check together. Here you can see the answers. A. Car. B. Team. C. Community. D. Name. E. Member. And the second part. Match the words and the pictures. Was it easy? I bet it was very easy for you. Look here and check your answers. A. Line. B. Law. C. President. D. City. E. Name. Okay, great job, guys. We have only one exercise left. You need here to look at the puzzles and give the words related to them. And your answers should be member, city, president, car, and line, law, name, community, team. Okay, guys, you've made it. Now you know 10 more English words which are used widely in English-speaking countries. If you still have some difficulties, first of all, check the translation of the words in the comments below or look it up in the dictionary. That will help you for sure. And don't forget to do your homework, which today is to find other phrases with these words. You will definitely find a lot of expressions in dictionaries. Please write the phrases you'll find in the comments below. And don't forget to save the lesson to watch it later. Give the link of today's lesson to all members of your family and to all your friends who are learning English. I hope to see you in my other lessons as well. Just follow the links you see now and have some more English practice with me. And remember, if you have any questions and concerns, just write them down in the comments and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Just don't be shy. I'm here to help you. Thank you very much for watching this lesson and being with me today. I wish you all the best. See you guys in my other lessons. Take care.